In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam pending transaction error. If you are seeing a message that your purchase can't go through because here is already a transaction pending, don't worry, this is a common hiccup, and it's usually quick to solve. I will walk you through what to do, why it works, and a few tips to avoid getting stuck in a loop. First, start inside the Steam desktop client. Click your profile name in the top right. Open account details, then select View Purchase History. Look for the order marked as pending. Click into it and choose Cancel this pending transaction. This doesn't remove a successful purchase or charge you twice. It simply releases the stuck attempt so Steam will let you try again. After canceling, give it a moment for the change to register. Then retry your purchase. A helpful tip here: avoid clicking buy repeatedly while it's processing, as that can create multiple holds that block each other. If the client still won't cooperate, switch to a regular web browser, head to the Steam website, sign in, and try completing the same purchase there. Sometimes the desktop client runs into a local glitch or cached data issue, and the website bypasses that entirely. Keep an eye out for any verification windows from your bank or card provider and allow them to open. Those extra authentication prompts are part of normal checkout and need to complete for the payment to succeed. If you are still stuck, try a different payment method. For example, switch from PayPal to a credit or debit card, or from a card to PayPal. Payment processors occasionally have temporary outages or security checks that can stall an order. Changing the route your payment takes can get you around the bottleneck. Make sure your billing details match and that here is enough available balance or credit, so the authorization can go through smoothly. Finally, if none of the above resolves it right away, waiting is a valid option. Many pending transactions clear on their own, typically within 24 hours. You can monitor your Steam purchase history to see the status update. Often notice the pending hold drop off your bank or PayPal activity as it cancels. While you are waiting, avoid making new attempts on the same item until the pending status disappears, or you might end up stacking multiple holds. That's it. Thanks for watching.